Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin's opportunities in the short-term and long-term perspective. So let's start from the chart, from the 4-hour time frame, and you can see on this chart that Bitcoin is consolidating in the triangle, in the descending triangle, and there are two main scenarios in the short term. So scenario number one, if we're going break through this triangle upwards, and if the price will get more than 35k, probably next bull move will hit the market. So I do believe that in this case we will see new all-time highs more than 42k at the moment, probably in around 50 or 60,000 k. And the second scenario is if we are going to break through this support zone, it's around 28k to 30k. If we are going to break through the zone, the chart will go to 25k or maybe to 20k due to the correction. And this support zone is very strong. So these purchases of the Bitcoin here and here and here, they happen in very big volumes. But nevertheless, if this zone will be crushed, there will be very big impulse downwards. I do believe so. So the next zone of consolidation will be at around 25k, and there is a chance that due to great volatility that will occur at this moment, we will even get to 20k as a correction. So this is short-term perspectives of Bitcoin. So talking about when can it happen, when the volatility will hit the market. And the volatility can hit the market tomorrow, in the 29th of January. So the Bitcoin options will be closed on the different exchanges with a very big, enormous volume. More than 100,000 Bitcoins will be closed in the options. So this can cause very great volatility on the market. So the Bitcoin in this case will break through, and either scenario number one or scenario number two will happen. So we will see tomorrow. Also, why do I think that Bitcoin is going to fall? Because if we'll take a look at the grayscale Bitcoin Trust data, GBTC data, there is a very low premium over here. So it's around 70% at the moment, and it was 3% like a few days before. What does it mean? It does mean that the institutional traders which are purchasing grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, they are selling at the moment. And historically, when the premium was in such a low values, the Bitcoin was in a very bearish mood, so it was falling down like rapidly. So this, in my humble opinion, indicates what institutional traders are thinking about the current situation. Plus, if we take a look at the grayscale Bitcoin Trust more deeply, we'll take a look that there is a 6 months delay when the institutional can sell his shares, meaning that at the moment the institutionals that bought Bitcoin in the middle of summer, they're selling, and they're selling with a very big profit at the moment. So probably that's why I do believe that in very short term the Bitcoin will fall, and there will be the continuation of the correction. But talking about long-term perspective, I want to talk about this kind of news. So the Ivy League was purchasing Bitcoin for at least a year. Harvard, Yale, Brown. So talking about such a news, or talking about like institutionals purchasing Bitcoin, and talking about like great funds that went off the exchanges through the last half a year, we understand that they're hodling, so they're purchasing Bitcoin not for the speculations. They're purchasing Bitcoin for greater, for a long term, so maybe for 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 years, and they're thinking about Bitcoin as a long term investment. So that's why I'm very bullish in a longer term, but in the short term I do believe that will be a correction, probably tomorrow. So stay tuned, and don't forget that you can trade Bitcoin on Olymptrade platform, and it's much easier to trade it here, to speculate the price, because you need like around 30k to purchase Bitcoin on the spot market, but you can easily trade Bitcoin with any other sum on the Olymptrade platform. So do this on the forex instrument, and I do believe that you will receive great profits. So see you in the next videos. Stay tuned. Goodbye.